Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this new embroidery preset a test run. This is our logo a student made for us a while ago at Santa Ana College. I don't even have the original AI file. I used a PNG and I just vectorized it. So it's a little messy. So I'm just gonna click it. I can see it's like different colors. I think for the embroidery, I'm just gonna do one solid color. So I do need to clean this up a tad. So make sure Pathfinder's open. I'm just going to change it all to black to the same color. And then all these different little shapes, since it's all just one color, I just want to combine it to be like the same layer, the same color, the same shape basically. So Pathfinder's open and I'm going to click Unite. And it just kind of simplified my artwork. So I think that's probably a good step to do first. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is export this so that it's Photoshop friendly. So I'm going to say File, Export, Export As, and then under Format from the drop-down menu, choose Photoshop. And then name it whatever you want and just say Export. Okay, I actually already did this, so I'll just say Replace and just say okay. Okay, so that took a second. So now I just need to go and open it. Here it is. I'll just double click it. It should open in Photoshop, no problem. Again, that checkered background just means that it's clear. There's no background. So that's perfect because I want to make this embroidery file and then put it on some kind of fabric. So I think it's great that there's no background. Okay, so I installed this preset already, so it's supposed to be pretty easy to use. According to the instructions, you go to the actions window and you pick number 1 and you make sure it's highlighted, and then you just hit play and watch the magic happen and just don't do anything. Actions is kind of a cool tool. I know I don't really talk about it a lot in my classes. I know when I worked in the industry, I did use the actions tool sometimes if I had to do something really redundant over and over again, like and I'm just like formatting files when I was a design assistant. I kind of figured out this action tool made that redundancy go a lot faster. So it can be kind of cool. Okay, cool, it's done. That didn't even take that long. Okay, so let's go to action number 2. Just made an outline. We can always change the colors later, all that good stuff. It did better than I thought it was going to do, honestly. I was like worried because I know this art file it started as a PNG. It wasn't really that great and cleaned up. So I'm impressed. I'm going to hit play for action number 2. And so action number 1 is supposed to make the outline around your embroidery. And action number 2 is supposed to do the fill, like the inside part of it. Okay, so it did it. It didn't fill my whole skirt. That's a really wide space. So I want to do another round. So I'm just going to hit play one more time. And when I do it the second time, it's not really affecting my circle. It didn't really affect the SAC letters. So I think that's great. So I'm going to hit one more time. Oops, I might have accidentally hit it twice. I don't know if that's a problem. Okay, cool. So now it's filled up my skirt. There's holes because of the way it's drawn. It was like a scribble. So I think we're good. So the last step is now to render. So I'm going to click that and just hit play. Let's see what happens. Okay. I think it's still working. It's thinking. The little balls are spinning here. Cool. And it's rendered into blue thread. So we're basically done. I mean, now you can go in and change the color. I can export this as a PNG. I might want to clean up that little